To change the product type of a listing on Amazon Seller Central, follow these steps. Log into Amazon Seller Central. Go to Amazon Seller Central and log in with your credentials. Navigate to your inventory. From the dashboard, click Inventory, Manage Inventory. This displays a list of all your active and inactive products. Select the product. Find the product for which you want to change the product type. Use the search bar or filters if needed. Click the Edit button on the right side of the product listing. Edit product type. Under the Vital Info or Product Classification tab, look for the product type or item type keyword field. Update the product type by selecting the correct category or keyword from the drop-down options. Save changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save and Finish. The changes will be submitted to Amazon. Review approval requirements. Certain product types may require approval or additional documentation. If so, Amazon will prompt you with specific instructions. Verify the changes. Allow some time for the updates to reflect. Check your inventory page to ensure the product type has been successfully updated.